How is it going? Yeah? It's solid concrete, eh?
What's that?
I thought it would be hollow inside.
Oh yeah, it's just a little solid. It's not very strong concrete though.
No, that's good.
Very brittle. At a good angle?
Oh yeah, it's perfect. The only thing is, to me, it's a little bit too much. By the time you go down there, you're going to be like 4 feet down. Eh?
Oh wow, yeah. Yeah,
It's a long angle.
yeah.
I mean, you could go, I mean, I don't know, you could change it, but you could go a little bit less than an angle.
Less of an angle?
A little bit less, because it's going to be too far down, you know?
Is it going to be too far down?
Yeah, you see. How many extensions you have?
We have 2, I believe.
Okay.
So we can afford to go like